Alright, Waveigh back here with another video. Show you all my little trick. Vacuum out clear the condensate line. I got a 1-inch vacuum hose, a 3/4 nail fitting with the screw end, with the threaded end, sorry. Take that out. Hold on. There you go. So you get a 3/4 fitting, and that goes right over the pipe here. Most of the condensate lines is 3/4, and some is just a 3/4 90. I got a little small piece of 3/4 inch pipe here that I just trying to do this with one arm, so 3/4 pipe in the fitting, and then that could go right in the 90, and then you could vacuum that out. I already vacuum out both of those, but see that sit inside your 1-inch vacuum hose, and you get a good seal, and you get a good clean vacuum, clear the line real good.